Hey Mekorma users, my name is Beth, and today I'd like to show you how to configure a Checkbook's MICR line within the new Mekorma Checkbook Setup window. As of Mekorma Payment Hub Build 75, we have enhanced the features of this window to offer more intuitive navigation. I'll begin in the Dynamics GP Checkbook Maintenance window, where I have just added a new checkbook with the ID Operating. In order to configure the MICR line for Mekorma check printing, we need to open the Mekorma MICR Checkbook Setup window. This window can now be accessed directly from GP's Checkbook Maintenance window by clicking on Additional, then Mekorma Check Setup. Of course, you can also navigate to the Mekorma Checkbook Setup window from the Mekorma Area page. Because this checkbook has not yet been configured, the MICR line Quick Entry window will automatically open. This window makes it fast and easy to enter the necessary information. I will first choose the number of digits on my checks. Your bank will provide you with the correct position for the check number digits on the MICR line, which you can enter here. Continue to populate the remaining fields with the checkbook's routing number, account number, the correct position of the account number, and the region code, also provided by your bank. Once you click OK, the data will appear in the new graphic interface. Also note that the transit ABA number has been automatically calculated and entered. This number is a combination of the routing number and the region code, so if both those values have been entered, it will automatically populate. The transit number typically displays in the upper right-hand corner of a check. If you need to make changes or add information to the MICR line, there are two ways of doing so. Clicking on any of the hyperlinks here will open the MICR line Quick Entry window again, where you can edit. It is also possible to use the graphic interface. Let's say I need to change my account number for this checkbook. By simply clicking the mouse over any of the values, it will scroll through the options until I find the needed number or symbol. If you need to change the position of the check number, use these arrows. The plus and minus symbols will allow you to increase or decrease the number of digits. The account number position can be adjusted using these arrows. Please note, if the routing number is edited here and not in the MICR line Quick Entry window, you must click on the routing number hyperlink to be certain that the transit number will adjust accordingly. Another thing to know, for security purposes, some banks require a check digit to display on the MICR line in addition to the check number. The check digit is calculated using different formulas depending on the bank. If your bank requires a check digit, you can adjust the way the digit is calculated by clicking on any of the values here, and the Digit Options button will appear. By clicking on the button, a window will open where you can then customize the check digit calculation according to your bank's parameters. The Integrate button allows custom code written using Mekorma's application programming interface to be enabled in the Mekorma MICR Integration Setup window. Any integrating customizations will be listed here. By enabling custom code, you can then select where in the payment process your customization is executed. For more information on customizing Mekorma Payment Hub, please contact Mekorma Sales. The new Checkbook Setup window also consolidates settings for payables, US payroll, and Canadian payroll. Check formats can be selected per module by using the drop-down menu here. One final note. As of Mekorma Build 76, this window integrates with Mekorma's TaskBased Security model by allowing you to assign threshold IDs to individual checkbooks. For more information on TaskBased Security and threshold ID configuration options, please see our videos page. Remember to save all changes before exiting the Checkbook Setup window. Please contact us with any questions you have about configuring the MICR line or the Mekorma MICR Checkbook Setup window. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.